drying. Watching football all day.
Oh, Detroit Lions.
Oven's heating up. Kitchen's getting hot.
So much food you think you landed at Plymouth Rock.
Pumpkin pie for dessert, and I got a feeling. Gonna stack Cool Whip till I hit the ceiling.
No, it's nasty. Granny wants the gizzard.
Feels like my stomach about to explode.
Turkey got me high. Parade flow. Gobble, 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 gobble.
Gobble, gobble.
Gobble.
Gobble, gobble.
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 Gobble, gobble.
Gobble, gobble.
Gobble, gobble.
Gobble, gobble, gobble.
Gobble, gobble.
Gobble, gobble, gobble.
Gobble, gobble.
Gobble, gobble, gobble.
Gobble, gobble.
I whip my turkey back and forth. Yeah, buddy. I whip my turkey back and forth. Then I gets money.
So tired. Gotta take a nap, fam. Nap time, cause I'm gone off that tryptophan.
You said that tryptophan?
Yeah, that tryptophan.
Well, gobble, gobble then.
Call me the turkey man.
And if we burn the turkey that's in the oven, hit up that Chinese restaurant for that turducken.
Gobble,
Gobble, gobble,
gobble, gobble.
gobble, gobble,
Gobble,
gobble, gobble,
gobble, gobble.